In this video, how to fix secure boot status disabled on Lenovo ThinkBook laptops. As you can see, secure boot is enabled, but its status is showing as disabled. To fix this, click on Restore Factory Keys to reset all secure boot databases to their factory defaults. Save the changes and restart the computer. On the next screen, press Enter. Then press F1 to access the BIOS setup page. As you can see, the secure boot status is now enabled. In Windows, to check if secure boot is enabled, you can use the System Information tool or command line. You'll see the value on if secure boot is enabled, off if it's disabled, and unsupported if it isn't supported on your hardware. You can also query this information from PowerShell. Run the following command in the PowerShell window. You'll see true if secure boot is enabled, false if secure boot is disabled. With PowerShell remoting, you could use PowerShell commands to check if a remote PC has secure boot enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.